Akala ko hindi ka na darating.
I'm sorry to have kept you waiting.
It's all right. I'm a patient man.
Patient. And yet, you're known sa business world as a risk-taker, a go-getter.
Gano'n na ba talaga ang reputation ko?
Well, hindi lang naman sa business, pati na rin sa personal life.
We've been listening to too much gossip.
Really? Parang kailan lang tayo huling nagkita and yet here we are, having a luncheon meeting at a fancy restaurant.
Yes. That's because I have a very important proposal to make.
Ooh, sounds interesting. Let me hear it.
So, saan ka galing?
I was out.
Alam ko. Pero saan ka galing?
I did some errands. May mga pinuntahan ako. I met with some friends.
Sino kasama mo?
Si...
Sino?
Teka nga. Bakit ba ganyan ka makatanong? Are you interrogating me?
Tinatanong kita ng maayos, ha? Pero hindi mo kayang sagutin. At ano to? Lasing ka? What's going on?
What? Am I not entitled na magpakasaya paminsan-minsan?
Hindi ikaw to. Hindi ako sanay ng ganito.
Well, welcome to the new me, Chris. Pasensya ka na, ha? Ang dami kasi nating problema sa business natin lately. And this is how I am coping. So sana maintindihan mo. I'm tired. I wanna go to bed.